welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this wig. Yes, I said wig. This is a box braided wig from Neatandsleek. I wanted to start this video up close so you guys can understand the quality and see the quality. So I'm trying to go really close to that hairline from the lace. Wig. This looks so good. Whoever braided that, God bless them. I don't know how they braided that so tightly. So they were able, ow! Got myself real good there, I burnt myself. So they braided the wig onto a frontal that was made of human hair. So the knots on this wig is bleached already. So I'm not sure if that's what they always did, but for some reason, like I've seen some videos and theirs did not look like they were bleached. So I didn't have to do a ball cap because I felt like it was good. But the next time I wear this wig, I'm gonna apply some foundation underneath because as you guys can see, it is looking a little white. It's looking a little light, which is not like a terrible thing. I'd rather it be light than dark, too dark for my skin. So I can darken that easily. I'm gonna put some powder on top of it after we address these baby hairs. So I'm just thinning it out a bit. guys. So this is the longest length that they provide. She is in 26 inches. It is waist length, and it is definitely waist length on me as well. I'm 5'9", and it's going down pretty low. I mean, if it was even longer, I wouldn't be mad at it too, but it's definitely gorgeous. The wig is not heavy. I've watched a few reviews on this wig, and some people said that it was pretty heavy, but I don't find that it's heavy at all. When I do box braids, like, that is heavy. When you actually do it on your own hair. So for me, this feels like nothing. Like this is fine. I could wear this all day long. One thing that I really love about this unit is the construction, and I want to talk about that because it is such a well-made wig. Now let's get even closer up and look at the hairline. The lace on the unit, it is a frontal wig, so you do have lace on the sides here and also on the sides, and then going back 6 inches. So it's a 13x6 braided wig, and this is the knotless braids. As you guys can see, like, the construction is absolutely gorgeous. The braids are braided so nicely. Like, there is no mistakes, like where, you know, the braids might be like jacked up. No, not at all. It's absolutely perfect. And you guys, they bleached the knots on this unit. So if you look closely, you might be able to tell the knots are bleached, so you really cannot see any of the knots on the unit, like, at all whatsoever. I am absolutely loving that. I think the density of this unit is perfect. It's as full as you would want it for box braids. Like, it looks so natural. It really looks like you did your hair, like your full head in box braids, and I think it looks really cute. It's really comfortable on my head. I'm not feeling like any pressure really. Like, it just feels like, yeah, I have a wig on my head, and I did not do any like dipping or anything. This is what the ends look like on the unit. Really beautiful. To be honest, I do not think anybody can clock this. Like, can you guys clock it? I mean, maybe if you get this close, but who's gonna get this close to me where it's like not even like 2 centimeters away? I would highly recommend this wig to anyone. So if you are thinking about maybe doing box braids and maybe you haven't ever tried it, this is a great option. And I do believe this wig is going for $289 US. It's not 100% lace wig, so you can style it wherever you would wear your natural frontal wig. So my final thoughts on this wig, I absolutely love it. I think it doesn't even look like a wig. Maybe we shouldn't even call it a wig, these box braids, because they are bomb.com. Check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information about Neatandsleek and where to get this wig in the description box. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section. I always answer my comments, and I love chatting with you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in another video. Bye.